Huh?
Yes!
600! Oh my god! It's Mama!
It happened! You said don't get ahead of myself, but look at her!
Double sneezes to 600! Oh, you were here! How fast do you think you'll get to 700? What are your goals and ambitions there?
I think I will. Because summer is soon.
Summer soon. Is that another allergy season?
I feel like last year summer was pretty soon.
I do remember that summer was pretty sneezy for you.
Yeah,